everybody, greeting from Marvel from Honda. Today I will introduce our water sensors with our Wi-Fi 4G wireless system and also the floating system. And I will introduce part by part. First, I will introduce the sensors first. And there are totally 4 sensors. This one is the optical water dual sensor, and just because it is based on the optical proposal, so need to keep sure the sensor head clean. And so we integrated with this brush. And this brush can clean the sensor head in the set times. For example, every half an hour it can brush the sensor head 6 times to keep sure it is clean. And that is the brush, that is the water dual sensor. And the second, that is the another sensor, that is the water NH4, NH3, NO3N, TN, and pH and temperature all in one sensor. And this sensor is based on the chemical electricity, so no need to clean the sensor head. And but need to use this protective cover to protect the sensor. You can check it that here is a glass ball, so it need to protect very well, and just connect it by this protective cover. And the third sensor is the water nitrate sensor. And for this sensor, also based on the chemical electricity proposal, so also need to connect this protective cover, and no need brush, just because it's a film head and easy broken. So just connect this protective cover. And the last one, that is the water green idle sensor, and this sensor also based on the optical proposal, so need this brush and to clean the sensor head in the set time. So that is the but it's built-in brush, so it can no need with integrated the brush separately, so it use directly is okay. That is the sensors. And how to connect the sensor to the wireless module. And here is the wireless module, and here is the wireless module. There are 2 antenna, and this one is the relay output controller, and this one, that is the solar controller. And I will introduce first this one, that is the battery. And for this battery, and there are 2 ports, and it can be used for. And this one can be for your reserve, no need to use it. And this one is used for to connect the controller. And just put the battery here. This battery is 12 voltage with 30Ah, so it is totally enough. And just connect it. And the second, and connected the battery with the controller. And you can check it, that is the solar panel controller, and there are 3 ports. This port connects the solar panel, this connects the battery, this connects the devices, and the wireless module. So this one is used for to connect the wireless module. You can check it, this one connects the wireless module. Connect the wireless module, and the wireless module will power all of the sensors. The wireless module just connected here, and it can supply the power to all of the sensors, and also this relay control. And after connected, and this one connects the battery. You can check it. This connector is connected the battery, and this is the battery port. This is the controller port. So you just connect it. You can check it. It is power on. And this one is used for here. This one is used for to connect it to the solar panel. And I will introduce solar panel later. Okay. And that is introduce the connection. And the next. This one is the relay control, and there are 2 output relay control. And this one, number 1 is used for the water dual, number 2 is for the water NH3. And we have connected we have resolved this cable for you, and the red and black is used for to make the controller of the relay controller water dual, and the yellow and white is used for make the relay controller for the water H3, and we just connect it here, okay? And so you can connect it your own devices and to make the switch, make the relay controller. And if the water level if the water dual level than 5, then it will open, and it will the water dual higher than 8, it can close. So the value can be set. I will tell you later. Okay, that is the connection. And the next, how to connect the sensors to the wireless module. You also can check it. Here is the connectors. Here are the connectors for the controller connector with the water sensors. And this water sensor, there is no connection order, and you can connect it any of the part. You can connect any of the part by the waterproof connector. You can check it. You can connect by the waterproof connector and just connect it and close it fastly, then it can work. And that is the rainproof connector. And for that is introduced how to connection. And for the antenna, there are 2 antennas. And for the wireless model, there are 2 antennas. And you can check it. That is the 4G. That is the 2.4G. 4G is used for the SIM card, and the 2.4G is used for the Wi-Fi. And just pay attention the right connection order for the 2 antenna. And you can check it. And there are 2 antennas part. The right one, that is 4G. The left one, it is Wi-Fi. So you must connect the right order, or the signal will be very poor. And also you can put the antenna. You can put the antenna in this waterproof case, and that is the relay controller, and that is the solar panel controller. And we will also send you this glue, and you can adhere the battery and the wireless module by the glue when you receive it, and then to keep sure it's faster. Okay, after you connect all of them, and then here is the waterproof case and the waterproof cover. And what you need to do is just connect it by the waterproof cover and fix it and make it fixed. So that is all of the parts will be in waterproof. Okay, and next, how to put the sensors. And for the sensors, you can check it. This is really output. And here we also this is used for to connect the solar panel. I will give the introduce. And for these sensors, all of the sensors can be put into this protected cover. Can be put into this prop cover. This is a stainless cover, and only this sensor, only this water green angle sensor, this can't be put into the protect, as just because it's based on the proposal, and it needs at least 20 centimeters around the sensor and no objective. So we have just so we have made some change. We have made some change, and we have you just put you can check it in the bottom, and we have we can make a screws, and then it need to put into the put through the bottom, and then put into the water directly like it, and like it. So that is how to connect the sensors. And for the others, there is no problem. You just put into this protected cover is okay. Okay, that is the how to connection the sensor with the wireless module, how to connect the solar panel and battery, and the next I introduce how to connect the float system. Okay, thank you. Okay, and I will also make the video to introduce how to connect the water green argon sensor, and just because it is special, and as this is needed installed like this way into the water, and also you can check it in the bottom. We have made the fixed with waterproof connector, and when you receive it, you need to connect it with waterproof connector directly. And as when we send the sensors, we need to send it separately. But when you receive it, and you can check it built-in also waterproof connector, and you need to connect. You need to make the same connection, and with this waterproof connector. And but when sending the cargo, we need to put the sensor separately. When you receive it, you just insert the cable and connect it like this way. It's okay. Okay, that introduce how to connect this sensor. And also I will introduce the 4G SIM card. And here, when you insert your 4G SIM card, you can check it. Here is a yellow button, and you need to click the yellow button, and click the yellow button. I will show you. We have a special tool. And just click it, the yellow button, and you can check it. The 4G SIM card slot will punch out, and then you just put the 4G SIM card in this card slot, and just keep sure the APN is same with you have given us, or it can work. After you insert your 4G SIM card and then push it, and that is the how to insert the 4G SIM card, and then put them together and make the rainproof cover and waterproof cover, then it can work. Okay, so please, before you take this cover, you must connect all of them, and especially for this controller, and must connect the right order, and so all it can work. Okay, and though it is complex, but you just connection according to the video I have given you, it can work. Okay, that introduce all the whole system. If you had a problem, just send us inquiry. Thank you. Okay, the next I will introduce how to put this waterproof case to this floating system. And after just the connection, all of the sensors according to the above video, and then you just you can check it. And you just put this one and into this stainless steel crown, and we have just put it, and all of the sensors are in the bottom, and you then fix with the screws, and yes, and then you fix with the screws that have 4 holes, and then you can fix by the screws we have sent, and then fix the waterproof case with the stainless steel, and then after you screw it, and then the connection is finished. And the last for the connection, this is the solar panel. You can check it. That is solar panel, and you need to do is connect the solar panel. Connect this solar panel and to the battery. You can check it. There are two holes, and you just connect it. Okay, after you connect it, then the solar panel will charge the built-in battery, and so it can work. And after you finish all of the connection, and here you just connected this clock with this lock. Okay, and then that is how to connect the solar panel and how to fix the sensors. And the last is also very important. And for this sensor also need to connect it. Connect it this one, and just connect it this water green under sensor. Okay, after connected, and what you need to do is just put this one and connected with the sensor, the protected sensor head, and also you need to put all of the sensors into this waterproof case. And I will show you in the other side. Sorry, just because we didn't fix it by the screws. Yes, and you can check it. That is the protected cover, and you just fix it. What you need to do is just fix it by the screws. And they also have four holes, and which you just need to fix it by the screws to keep sure it is fixed very well. And then after you fix the screws, you can then put it into the water, and it can work. Okay, that is introduce all this whole system. And the last and also important, this sensor no need to put into the protected cover, and just put into the water through the bottom, put it into the water is okay. Okay, that is introduce all this whole system. After you make the connection, you just turn it over and put it into the water. It can work. Okay, and if you have a problem, just send us inquiry. Thank you.